Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to make your Discord even more cooler with a better tool that Better Discord. You also have free Nitro. Why are we waiting for? Hop on. First of all, in your web browser search as Vencord. This is a software which we can use to customize our Discord in a very cool way. Themes, plugins, and most importantly, free Nitro. Yeah, today I am going to show you guys the way to get it too. Alright, moving on. Then go to the official Vencord website. Click on Download Vencord. In here, choose your OS. So, as I am on Windows, I selected Windows. Then click on this to download the Vencord installer.exe. Then double-click on the Vencord file to run the exe file. After that, in this Windows, make sure that the location is set to the default location shown here. And click on Install. Then you will see a dialog box pop up saying Successfully Patched. Then your Discord will close automatically. Again, open Discord. Now in the user settings, you will see a new section called Vencord. In here, you will see the same options as Better Discord. We have themes, plugins, updater, etc. If you made up to this part, like this video and subscribe to CryoBits for the best part. Now let's make your Discord absolutely stunning by adding a cool theme. To do that, I am going to the Themes section of the Better Discord website. You can use any website you like. After selecting a theme, click on Download under that theme. Then follow my steps. Next, go to the Themes section of Vencord. In here, click on Open Themes folder. This is the folder which you must copy and paste your theme file. I am going to paste it here. Pause the video and paste the CSS file here. Then close the folder and click on Load Missing Themes to load the theme into the Discord window. Now toggle on the theme from here. Great, now your Discord looks cooler than that default dark theme. Now let's go add some plugins. Adding plugins in Vencord is super easier than in Better Discord. We have all the plugins we need in the Plugins option in the Vencord section. This is what you all been waiting for. We are going to add free Nitro using the FakeNitro theme. To do that, in the plugins, search for FakeNitro and toggle it on. This actually acts as a real Nitro. Then restart your Discord. Look, we can use any animated emoji from a server. Cool, right? If you like, you can add some plugins like Read All Notifications, AlwaysAnimate, Better Friends List. I will display the plugins that I recommend on the screen now. These are just a few which I recommend. There are a lot more. You can use almost everything in here. Now your Discord is even better than Better Discord, guys. That's it for today. Please do me a favor. Subscribe.